So good morning everyone, Happy New Year. And now that we are in January 2025, it's a good time to start thinking about putting a plan in place. If you're coming up to exams this summer, we know that time will go very quickly. And to make the most effective use of that time and to really improve your physics, my recommendation is that you're working on past paper questions and really getting stuck into those. You can work through sets of questions on each topic at first, and then you can build up to doing sort of whole exam papers as you go along. But really that needs to be a sustained effort over a period of time where you're really digging into those questions, working out what it is you can do and what it is you need to work on and improve. And you need to be as I said in my earlier video, you need to be getting to the point where you're starting to recognise what the question is asking you in terms of the method needed to answer that question and to solve that question. There's nothing new about the physics from year to year, but of course the way they dress the question up and the context is going to be different, and you just need to get used to kind of doing that little bit of problem solving in the question, unwrapping the question and just pulling out the physics that's in there and applying your knowledge to that question. So I think one of the reasons why my group classes have been such a success is that's exactly what we're doing. We're doing sustained question practice over a period of time where the students receive clear and detailed feedback on the questions that they are attempting, and they can see what it is they can and can't do. They know which areas they need to focus on and which areas that they need to do further work on. And you need to do that over a period of time. And we're working systematically through the topics. We've got a clear plan in place to build up to the exams. If you're possibly interested in joining my group classes, there is still just about time to join for January 2025. The Saturday class actually starts this Saturday, January the 4th, and we're in that group. We're covering Year 13 core topics. In January we've got one lesson on particle physics, which may actually be a Year 12 topic for some students, but then we're going on to nuclear physics for the remainder of January. The Wednesday group is for Year 13 students also. It's covering Year 12 core topics, and in January we're covering mixed mechanics exam questions for 2 lessons and mixed electric circuits questions for 2 sessions. And notice I'm not saying revision there. We're not doing mechanics revision. We're doing mechanics exam question practice. And the focus of the groups is on exam question practice, and it's something that students, getting down to the exam question practice is difficult to do on your own, and it's far easier to sit there and make a flashcard, isn't it? But actually getting down to the revision practice, really putting that solid, consistent effort in over the next few months will massively help, and we're already seeing improved predicted grades from the students in the class, and I expect that we'll see further improvements as they sort of build up to the exams. So if you're interested at all and you just want to have a bit more information, then let me know. I can send you all the information about the group classes. As I say, there is just about time to join. I've got about 1 place left in each class, and your son or daughter or you, if you're the student, would be very welcome to join the class. So just send me a message and we'll take it from there. All right, so anyway, Happy New Year from Sheffield, and all the best for 2025, and bye for now. Thank you.